Alrighty, Wesley Stratton, American Benefit Services. All right, guys, I get questions from agents all the time about, hey, what do I do if I'm just getting into business? And I want to talk to you about what I would do, knowing what I know now, after being in the industry for 25 years, of what I would do if I just started in the business. The number one thing I would do, let's just kind of go through it. The first thing I would do is I would get a mentor, someone who could teach me the industry. And I can think of one good mentor, ABS. But the things I would do is, and the things I see from agents outside of getting a mentor is you need to treat this like a normal job. You know, we have agents all over the country. We've recruited 10,000 plus agents in the last 30 plus years. The agents that actually treat this like a real job, who are doing this for 40 hours a week, a normal job, every single one of those agents is making 6+ figures a year. So this can be a job you work part-time. You know, you're the boss, it's 1099. But the agents that I see that are truly treating this as a real job, and they're out there hustling, putting 40 hours a week in, and having the right rhythms of rest. You know, this business can be very seasonal. Get your rest in, it's very important. But the ones that we see that are truly treating this like a real job, they're making a great income. So take it seriously. The sky truly is the limit. So after that, the other things I would do is to get leads. I'd work your warm market. You know, it's great to maybe get in front of maybe a family member that's going to be a little bit more forgiving to you if you kind of mess up or you stumble. Work out the kinks with your siblings, with your parents, your grandparents. Those are the great ones. I'll tell you, I have a big giant family. At Thanksgiving, we always have an extra family member there, and somehow I end up with an extra sale, you know, an extra person to talk to about Medicare, life insurance, or financial products. Work your warm market, and there's a way to do it that is respectful and not pushy. And there's obviously the other way to do it. You can just tell them, like, hey, talk with your parents, like, hey, this is something I do. Could I review your plans? It's really simple. Outside of that, after you're working your warm market, you want to get the kinks out with your warm market. Then what I would do after that, really simply, is I would just canvas the area. I don't care where you are in the country. Almost every market, unless you're in the middle of nowhere, there's no population, is a great market for Medicare because everybody needs help with Medicare. It's a necessity. If you don't get your Medicare worked out, you get penalized. So what I would say is canvas your area. I would go to every pharmacy, doctor's office, independent living, community. Your backyard has so many opportunities for you to make connections. And when I tell you, treat it like a real job, that's what you need to be doing. You need to be connecting with your warm market. You need to be canvassing the area. And if you do that consistently over time, you will win. The other things I would do is obviously get with us about what your clients' needs are. Life, health, wealth, ancillary products will teach you about how to go deep with your clients. But you just stay consistent. You keep hitting the bullseye in that area. That's all you need to do. It's nothing crazy. There's no magic bullet to this thing. Really, the secret is being consistent. And if you stay consistent with that approach, and that's how you get started, you'll win. That's it. So reach out. We appreciate you guys. We want you guys to win more than ever. This is your breakthrough year. Thank you. Reach out. Have a good one.